Kitchen is Chef Paul. With me today is Chef Amy.
Hi.
Today I wanted to do a quick video on rice flour. So I've had some people come to me with a little bit of concern, and these people are people with IBS, people like Amy who's had the gallbladder removed and now have super sensitive stomachs to certain things. Flour seems to be one of them. Now, I'll give you a quick example. I was really nice to Amy and I made her a chocolate cake with carob powder, which carob powder is good for her, and she's allowed to have it. And if you don't know what it is, try it out. You can one-to-one replacement for cocoa powder. It actually makes chocolate taste absolutely amazing. And our cats are playing. But the problem is that I use flour. I didn't think it was going to be that big of a deal because Amy can handle a lot more now than she could then. But lately we go out, we get a slice of pizza because we've been out for a while. We need something quick for our sugars because they're dropping. We went and got a slice of pizza. I was all right. Amy on the other end was not. Amy went and took that chocolate cake I made her. She couldn't eat it because it left a really weird aftertaste and it just didn't sit well with her. It is what it is, and that doesn't mean there's anything wrong with Amy. It's flour is just not for her, and there's a lot of people like that. So here I've got a measuring cup, and I've got 4 cups of rice. We're going to make rice flour. This is easy. Anybody can do this. All you need is a really good blender. And I like to think Ninja makes good blenders, don't you, Amy? And I've got a handful of pistachios. Why? Why not? It's going to give it a little bit of flavor, a little bit of good texture. If you don't have pistachios, that's fine. You absolutely do not need them, but they're just good to have. And we're just using jasmine rice. Use what you have. It's what making cooking great again is all about. Use what you have. And by the way, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. So I'm just going to turn this on. And what should we use? Yeah, we use it. This might take a little bit of time because it's gotta grind it down to a flour consistency. It'll take a bit, but we need to get this down to a flour. So let's check this out. I'm not saying it is going to be right, but it might be. So, no, not yet. But just be patient with it, and it will work. It's working right now. It's going to take longer to do. But if Amy wants pizza, you can have pizza. Now, if you're somebody that also has celiac disease, this is excellent too. I forgot all about this. There was a time when they thought that Amy had celiacs. She didn't, but they thought she did. Yeah, and that's it. And she didn't have it.
No.
But they thought she might, so we switched her diet around and try to make sure that she could eat it. And she likes it. And is this going to taste exactly like flour? No. But it is going to be different. But for those of you who can't eat flour because it causes issues, there's nothing wrong with this.
No.
It actually, to be honest with you, I kind of like the flavor a little better anyways. It's not going to leave that aftertaste. It's not going to transform into sugars the same way that regular flour does. This is going to be great. I really do think so. So all you're going to do is just going to put this into a container, and I'm going to ask Amy the question. Amy, how much would you like to have pizza?
A lot.
Well, here we go. Amy's going to be able to get some pizza. We got everything we need right here. Just gonna put this into a dry container, set this aside somewhere where it's nice and dry, doesn't get wet or moist, and that's it. Like, so if you're ever wondering what you need to do to get a flour replacement,
That's it.
That's it. You can go to the store and you can buy an IBS friendly, gluten-free friendly. You can buy that. It's not cheap. It really isn't. Does work good though. I'll give you that. It does work good.
Yeah.
But this is a lot cheaper. And when you need something right now, and you don't want to go out and spend a lot of cash on something that you don't need to, and you have a lot of rice left to do, here you go. Please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Let's make cooking great again. Amy, what do you think?
It's going to be good.
Perfect. Have a great day, guys.